Hey, shalom everybody! Here I did cut a piece of an eggplant to grate it together with a potato. It was very hard to get this eggplant, all did look bad at the store. I went to 3 different locations and this was the best looking from all of them. I just used the front part and the rest I did not even use up. For the grated eggplant with the potato, we heat up some oil, splash of lemon juice in it and salt and pepper, and we saute for about 10 minutes. Rinse half a cup of lentils under cold water and then we simmer them for around 10 minutes. I eyeballed out the measurements with the oats. It is around half a cup and I crushed them down with my hands. Take half can of chickpeas and half can of black beans, and I used a fork to mash them down. If you have a high power blender or food processor, use it. My blender is not strong enough to handle all this, so I make all by hand. I measured out 3 tablespoons of beetroots, julienne, and I continued to mash them into small pieces using a fork at the end. Now I take a piece of a green bell pepper and cut it into small cubes. Let's now combine everything. the oats and the bean mash with the crushed beets and bell pepper, also adding in the lentils and the salted grated eggplant and potato, as well the rest of the can of black beans, and by using a garlic press we press in a garlic. I should have used more, but for this recipe I only put in one. I will do more next time for sure. Let's chop down some parsley. And at this point I am adding in 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast and season it with salt and black pepper and give it a good mix to combine well, and adding in our parsley. Before forming patties, we place the mixture in the fridge and let it chill down. We use the time to cut out some wax paper to place in between the patties, so it becomes easier for us to work with. Form the patties and placing them on the paper and lay another paper on top of it to bake the patties. You should end up getting around 12 patties out of it, and with the paper between they won't freeze together. One goes in a sandwich bag and 5 goes into a bigger freezer bag. Oh my god, I used too much oil. Please use less. And making the test how they behave in the skillet. Let's see what happens. It's time to flip them over. Oh wow, they came out great. Now fixing up the burger with my freshly baked artisan bread. I will add the link as soon as I edit the video to the bread. So you will have an amazing bread when you test out this burger. And this is the way it looks when it's all done. And I will enjoy it. Thank you all for watching. Shalom everybody.